And here we've got the finished Barbie car, decorated with flower decals. Hey everyone, Chris and Lily here from MrDecalPaper.com. And what are we doing today, Lily?
We're giving Barbie's car some flower power.
Okay, yeah. Alrighty that. So the first thing is, check the surface of your toy or model or any plastic surface, metal surface, and check the colour. For white surfaces, we'll always use clear decal paper. This surface is like a deep pink, so we're going to switch to the white waterslide decal paper. So first thing is, grab yourself some decal paper from MrDecalPaper.com. It just looks like plain paper, ordinary plain paper, but it has a coated surface, which is the film, and it's a little thicker. So you put it through your printer, say with glossy presentation paper or a thick paper setting. Next step, get yourself some images. We've took these from Google Images and just printed them out using your normal inkjet or laser printer. If you've got an inkjet printer, obviously you need the inkjet waterslide decal paper. Laser paper is a different version. But this is the inkjet waterslide decal paper, which is the most popular choice. And as you can see, all the colours are nice and clear and vibrant on this paper. And we've printed a selection of hippie type pictures ready for Barbie's car. After printing and allowing to dry, give your decals some quick sprays with some clear varnish spray to seal the print. So, first step, here you go, Lily. After cutting your images out of the paper, we can dip them into water. Here you go, Lily. Just dip that into water. Put that in. And then this is going to take about 40 to 50 seconds. And remember, these are not stickers. These are decals. So this is to recreate a factory style finish, not a sticker finish. So obviously the Chinese have been using this technology for years, and now we can use it ourselves to decorate items in the home. Plastics, glass, metals. There's different decal papers for wood, and there's even decal papers for skin, for tattoos. So, as you can see, that's now sliding off the backing paper. So let's get on to Barbie's car. Decal number 1. And we're just going to put that up onto the surface and slide that backing paper off, leaving just a film. And we can move this around a little bit. And we just feather this a little bit. Now the idea of the difference between this and the sticker is obviously you can see the edges of a sticker, and you can see it's a sticker, whereas the idea of decal paper is that it looks like it was printed on in the factory with a very, very fine film finish. And what will happen here is, over time, or you can use a hairdryer, this decal will harden rock solid onto your surface. And now what I'll do is we'll speed the video up and we'll carry on decorating Barbie's car, and so you can see the finished item. And here we've got the finished Barbie car, decorated with flower decals. What do you think, Lily?
Wow, Daddy, that's amazing.
Alrighty that. So obviously you don't have to print out hippie stickers. You can use any images that you can find on Google Images. Obviously important to say, obviously you can't sell your decorated items if you've took the Google Images. It could be in breach of copyright. So just for home use, home decorating products, ceramics, plastics, metals, and a variety of other surfaces that you can decorate. But obviously we have done a Barbie car today. See you on the next video.